Good morning, everybody. Today is a pretty early one. I'm still a little bit tired, but that's no problem because today is getting pretty exciting. We are going to Sportec. He's a famous Porsche tuner here in Switzerland, and yeah, he's holding an open house. See you there. So we have arrived at Sportec. You can see some race cars. First car, GT3 Club Sport. Some upgraded brakes. Beautiful carbon front splitter. With a big carbon wing. It's gorgeous. Really clean for a race car. We have another GT3. Also some upgraded brakes. Full slicks. This one is used a lot more. That's also funny. They're on the outside. Also part of the big Wang gang. Here we have a Lamborghini. Carbon vents. Also right here the rear engine. Now we are inside. Beautiful cars around here. GT3 Cup. Really looks clean. Don't know what's all about here, but all of the race cars are pretty clean. Little scratches and that's it. Another GT3 Cup. So gorgeous and always the big wings. Next one, GT2, is it? GT2 RS. Carbon wing and also engine cover carbon. So gorgeous. I love the taillight design from this generation. Pretty cool. Carbon vents. Also in the front fender. Carbon vents. Carbon hood. Maybe we can see the interior. Yeah, not really great. A little bit. the older brother and here's the younger brother. Same color. Lamborghini is also packed out with the carbon. You can see the whole mirror is carbon. These big vents, look at my hands for comparison. That's crazy. Also the interior, really luxurious. Rear window louvers, also in carbon. Here we have a Lambo race car. Carbon Kevlar fenders. This car is pretty light, I think. It's all carbon. Yeah, look right here, it's all carbon Kevlar. Big diffuser. You can see the engine peeking out right here, and always the big wings. We know it by now. Pretty cool. Yeah, you can see the engine a little bit more. And another Lambo. Also a big diffuser, big wing, and the engine somewhere here. Yeah, you can see it. The front, it's also crazy. The coolers. Picks up the air right here, shoot it through the cooler and out. Here we have a Mercedes CLK race car on ATS wheels, side pipe exhaust. Diffuser. Pretty cool white body. We have a Porsche 911 Turbo S. Beautiful silver. So white silver. I'm not a big fan of silver, but this one is pretty cool. Also the wing, some dry carbon. It's also for sale. 800 horsepower and 246,900,000 Swiss francs. Yeah. And here, GT2, also for sale. This has 600 horsepower, but no pricing. Beautiful GT2 RS. Big brakes. Beautiful car. And also this one right here. looks like another grey. Here we have the restoration shop. Fully restored engine and primer chassis. So right there, there's another one in progress. Pretty cool. And here's a restored example of their work. Pretty nice old Porsche. Beautiful Porsche Cayman GT4 RS. So guys, I'm back from the meet and completely forgot to shoot an outro. I'm in the middle of editing now. I hope you guys enjoyed this content. I had a lot of fun, and yeah, leave me a like, comment, subscribe, and see you guys in the next one. Bye.